Dear all viewers, today I am going to show you how 0 factorial is equal to 1. For that, we use the concept of gamma function, as we know that gamma of n is equal to n minus 1 factorial. So put n is equal to 1, we get gamma of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 factorial, or we can write gamma of 1 is equal to 0 factorial. So put this equation as star. Now as we know that by gamma function, gamma of n is equal to integral 0 to infinity e raised to power minus x raised to power n minus 1 dx. This is the definition of gamma function for any number n. So using this concept, we have gamma of 1 is equal to integral 0 to infinity e raised to power minus x raised to power 1 minus 1 dx, or we can write this integral as 0 to infinity e raised to power minus x raised to power 0, as we know that any finite quantity raised to power 0 is equal to 1, so into dx. Therefore integral 0 to infinity e raised to power minus x dx is equal to limit y tends to infinity, integral 0 to y e raised to power minus x dx. So this integral is equal to limit y tends to infinity. After integrating this function, we get e raised to power minus x, and the internal differentiation of minus x is minus 1 with respect to x, because we have dx here, and the values of this integral is from 0 to y. So this is equal to limit y tends to infinity minus times e raised to power minus x 0 to y. Now we give the values, and this is equal to limit y tends to infinity e raised to power minus y, because we have first given to the y the value of e raised to power minus x, because we have the variable x here. So we give the upper value first, e raised to power minus y, then minus e raised to power minus 0, that's e raised to power 0. So this is equal to limit y tends to, here we have minus sign outside here, this is equal to limit y tends to infinity. After multiplying this minus 1 throughout this expression, we get e raised to power 0 minus e raised to power minus y. So this is equal to, because this is the constant here, e raised to power 0, that is 1 minus limit y tends to infinity e raised to power minus y, and this is equal to 1 minus limit y tends to infinity e raised to power minus y is equal to 0, because this is the limiting value, or when limit y tends to infinity e raised to power minus y, this limit tends to 0, so we can write here 0, and this is equal to 1. Therefore we have shown that gamma of 1 is equal to 1. So using this result, using this result in star, we get, as we know here, gamma of 1 is equal to 0 factorial. We get gamma of 1 is equal to 1 by this relation, and this gamma of 1 is equal to 0 factorial. So we conclude that 0 factorial is equal to gamma of 1, and gamma of 1 is itself equal to 1, as we have shown above. So this is the result. This is the proof that 0 factorial is equal to 1. Here is the complete note of this.